doing? I hope you guys doing wonderful. I know it's been a while. It's been a hot minute since you guys see my face on camera. Every time I post a video, it's always a voiceover. A voiceover is easier for me. But this season, I decided to show my face on camera for you guys, for my YouTube subscribers. I hope you guys like this one, okay? So, guys, I cannot believe we in Christmas. I cannot believe we in Christmas. Christmas just passed and we back to Christmas. Christmas is back. I cannot believe that. Time fly. But anyways, in today's video, I am sharing with you how I decorate my dining table for the Christmas season. Yes, guys, you guys going to love this one when I tell you this one is beautiful. But the theme for this season is red. I have a lot of requests for red. A lot of people asking me to do red this season. So this is what I'm doing this season. The theme for this season is red. The Christmas tree gonna be red. Everywhere in the house gonna be red. And red in little silver or white. But most of it gonna be red, okay? So you're gonna see how I decorate my dining table for the Christmas season. Guys, when I tell you, red is not a color that I like when it comes to decoration, but what I'm singing is, it is so beautiful. It is so nice. It's so beautiful, guys. You're gonna see it. You're gonna love it. It's epic. When I tell you, it's beautiful. It's nice. I don't know how to describe it, but I know it's beautiful. Okay, so this is the color for the theme this season is red, okay? The Christmas tree, I will be posting the Christmas tree next. So I'm done with the dining table, so I'm bringing you the dining table, but the Christmas tree is next, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like it. So for those of you who have not subscribed to this channel, and if you are interested in decoration, subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to press the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a video. And for my YouTube subscribers, y'all know the drill. Thank you so much. Thank you for y'all support. And I'm gonna let you guys watch the video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La da da da. Oh, oh, oh. La da da da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again. To see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Dear Santa, tell me that you'll make it here in time. Yeah, this boy is on my mind. Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times we'll be chillin' and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chillin' and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Here we go. All right.
Dance, dance,
Now this
dance,
Christmas, we're gonna dance.
we're gonna
Okay.
dance, dance, dance,
Come on.
dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling